Hey, my little helium paws. You know these people with those blown up egos and all that is coming out of them is hot air. I know, I wish I could fly away too. Curvy as hell, a plastic surface and hull on the inside. That is what we all really want, right? And more iPhones. We definitely need more iPhones, am I right? Yes, I am. If you are looking for Mr. Right or real life princess, search not further, just make your own. I have a very special guest for you today. I think I don't have to introduce him to you because without further ado, here he is! My best friend, the real and only love of my life and the only one that I can tie up without him screaming. Baby, you don't need to be shy, say hello. Maybe then I'll get my first 10 subscribers. Oh, you look so beautiful today, but he always looks beautiful, every day. No, baby, you look always so much better than me. Huh? Oh no, you are more beautiful. I love your eyes too. What did you say? Oh, you wanna go out tonight? Huh. But I thought we'll spend the night at home. Oh, okay, I guess we can do that, okay, baby? Huh? Oh no, I don't like human flesh that much anymore. Not after what happened in... No. What did you say? Oh, babe, I don't think that you need a makeover. You look beautiful the way you are. The people should love you for your inner values, you know, baby? I mean, you are so intelligent, you are charming, romantic, empathic, and so talented. I really like you the way you are. I really, really do. Huh, baby? Oh, no, I never smoked that before. Maybe later, okay? I mean, we are filming. Oh, is it dangerous, by the way? What? Why do you think I should blow up my backside balloons? You really think so? But baby, I like the way I am. I mean, if you say so, you know, you always had a better look for those things. So, I'll think about it, okay? No, baby, I don't really know how to blow. Oh, come on, just this time. I want to film this video with you. And after this, we can do whatever you want, like we always do, my little Aristotle, huh? Okay. I don't touch you again. I'm sorry. You know, a lot of people ask me what I am looking for when I'm looking for the perfect boyfriend. And I just need to think of you, honey, because I love you and... Perfect boyfriend? One that blows me away. Yes, and I love your brown eyes. Yeah, I hate my eyes too. Yeah, exactly, B. Because they are blue and blue is so ugly and mainstream. You are so right, baby. So, and now we come to your makeover. And it's absolutely custom made. And we start with a perfect airbrush foundation. Okay, baby. Huh? Who's Molly? No, I don't know her, no. Oh, okay, you know, just sometimes I'm just not the sharpest tool in the shed. And I'm sorry, I try my... Okay. Oh, yeah, I guess, yes, for sure. I mean, if you need money and the situation is hard for you, I can give you some, okay? Oh, my credit card, I mean, okay, baby, I trust you, okay? I trust you. And you know, I never looked for guys with money, because I would even sleep on the street with you, because I love you from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'll shut up, okay? Absolutely. Now let me powder your face, my little six-pack devil, huh? Oh, no, No, what? Special K? No, I'm just more of a Kellogg's type person. Huh? Oh yeah, for sure. I can pick up your clothes later, no problem. Huh? No, I forgot to make your coffee. I'm so sorry, okay? It won't happen again, I promise to you. I know I was never good enough for you, but I really try my best, okay, honey? I really do. And you know, in the last time, I'm just so overworked and I'm stressed out and I can't really... Yeah, sure, I'll shut up, okay, I'll shut up. I always talk too much, I know that. Never talk too much. They hate it when you do that. Okay, baby, yeah, but... You know, I'm just so loyal, but... I mean, we can try it out if you want to, yeah. But I have to say, if you ask me... Yeah, I know, but if you would ask me, I maybe will not feel so good about that, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, there was just a spider or something. So, and now we start with the highlighting and contouring, and you can do whatever you want, no matter what, as long as you like it. Because nothing else matters. That's important, that you really love your style and your look, that you feel beautiful. Ah, sweetie, you know me so well. I'm that kind of person that is always texting back, even if it's unsexy, because I look for the love of my life and I found it in you, baby. Oh yeah, I love cuddling so much. I want someone that I can tell that I love him every day for the rest of my life. Someone who comes directly out of my wildest dreams. And you know, I knew that nothing would ever be the same the moment that I first met you. And you deserve nothing but the best, baby. Huh? Oh, your cheekbones, they look awesome. I'm so glad that you are mine. So which eyeshadow color do you want, baby? Huh? Maybe this one or this? Oh, I have a great idea, okay? Hey, yeah, sure, absolutely, you can choose one. Oh yeah, great choice. The best choice ever made. No, I'm sorry, my hand, it's just... Because of last week, Oh, you don't remember, you know, you came home dry... Okay, baby, no problem, I love you. Yeah, sure, we can do more highlighter, no problem. Yeah, I know, baby, but your skin isn't really suitable for makeup, if you know what I mean, okay? I try my best, okay? Okay. What? I'm not good enough? I know, I was never good enough for anything, and... When you tell me that, I mean, at least... It must be true. You know, I just thought we would make an awesome video together and I need your support, baby. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll cut that out. Now back to the look, and I think that color really accentuates your beautiful eyes. I really think so. What? Oh, if I'm hiding behind all that makeup? No, you know, I just want to be the best version of myself. I express myself with it. Huh? Oh no, I don't care what other people think. But there's one opinion that really matters to me, and it is yours, okay? So, and now we'll do the eyebrows. What I'm scared of the most? To die alone, my little hellspawn. I would give away all the money in the world to have someone like you. What's with you? Huh? Inflation? You are so intelligent. Always thinking about that cold hard money, my little Hawking. So, what lip color do you want, baby? Oh, great choice, baby. Oh, baby, yes, I always care about where you are. I know, you don't have so much time to answer, but that's not the problem. You know, I think of you every second of my life. Because why? Because I love you. So baby, and now we'll set your face for a little bit more security. Aha. Aha. Huh? Oh yeah, I'm always so careful because of my anxiety. Huh? Oh yeah, I know every YouTuber got some anxiety issues. You name it, boy. I'm often not strong enough. But flaws and imperfections make us beautiful, right? No? I mean, you know, if I could choose, I would spend every day for the rest of my life together with you in bed. And we watch Netflix, we chill, and we order food. You know, baby, I never wanted more. I mean, if you want, we can spend time together in a bed in Bora Bora or Hawaii. What do you think about it? Huh? Why you don't talk to me? Why you don't talk to me? Why? You know, I was always such a misfit. I'm unique, I guess, you know? So, what do you think of the look, baby, huh? I mean, nobody's perfect. Except you. You are perfect, you know? Oh, you don't like the look, baby? I'm sorry, but, you know, I do the things that I love, and no matter what other people tell me, I try to be confident, and you know what hurts the most? I mean, no opinions matter to me, but there's one that matters for me, and it is yours. And it's just so very, very hard to be strong every day. Oh, what? Oh, you wanna go now? But yes, I mean, technically, we are already through it, okay? But I have to dress up, baby. Huh? Oh yeah, sure, you can go ahead and I'll come a little bit later. It's okay, it's okay. You know what I say. When you love someone, when you really, really love someone, you have to let him go. Oh, and you know what I say? Relationships between you and bad human beings are like a balloon. You die when they backstab you. Listen, humans are not perfect, but you are you. And you deserve something better for yourself. Never let people tell you that you aren't good enough or that you are not worth it, because I know you are. Maybe some of you out there feel very, very awful and very, very sad. But let me tell you, even when it sounds totally mainstream and dumb, it's always darkest before the sunrise. I don't know if it helps you, but I'm here for you. And I really care about you. I really hope that my videos make your day a little bit happier. And no matter what other people tell you, chase your dreams, no matter how hard it is. You deserve it. You deserve that even your wildest dreams come true. And just do it step by step. But please promise me, never give up. You can do it and I believe in you. I love you, my smudge mascara paws. You are you, never forget that. And please, never ever give up. You are beautiful the way you are. Bye, my sweeties. Mwah.